There we go.
filled.
Order filled.
Here it goes. 10 seconds. 8, 6, 5, 4, US 30. We're selling US 30. I'm selling US 30.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Stay in the trade. We got 50 seconds on the option play of Nas as well, too, but that's a big pullback region. We're almost done on US 30. You guys should all be up. Doesn't look like they're going to give us a pullback. Stay in the trade, US 30. All right, they're pulling back. Let's see if we can get a better position. Let's see if we can get closer to those yellow lines. 20 seconds on Nas, but watch out. Nas100. 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm selling Nas.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Stay in the trade. Let's see if we can get a pullback on US 30. This is a pullback region. This is a bigger pullback region. I'm going to hit one on here on US 30 right here. There we go. Stay in. There we go. Almost done. Done.
Order
done,
filled.
Done. Pull
Order
US 30.
filled.
Bagged. How much y'all guys got? 500. Done. 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 How much y'all guys get? How much y'all guys get? $50 for Bryce. $50 for O. Strong one for Michelle. Let's go. 29 solid in 2 minutes. 150 for Tyler. 150 for Tyler. In the chats, how much you guys get?
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Trading goal hit for the day. Done. I told you guys they could possibly throw a D-low. We got to get in, get out. You should have bagged at least 300 pips to 400 off of that bad boy, especially in the pullback. If you didn't get the pullback, at least you got 250. Great job, Lamont. Nas is throwing that D-low. This is a great area for Nas. This is a great area for Nas. Nas is extra for those of you guys. Great area for Nas. Once bottom position goes back in profit, get rid of bottom position. We'll see if Nas gives it to us. This is all extra for Nas. Great job, guys. For those of you guys that took the option of Nas, X is coming up. You guys are going to exit this trade. Make sure you guys did not risk an arm and a leg on that bad boy. I hope you guys followed. Great job. Crushed. Nas is still in. Watch out for Nas, guys. Bro, you should have a view of your screen. Not on TikTok. TikTok keeps banning me. Head over to the YouTube. So what we're gonna do from right now is we're gonna do some more practice for my newest people. I got some time, so I'm gonna sit on here with you guys. Nas100 still stayed. I hit that top. I'm up a bag. I'm up a bag on Nas. What we got on Nas? We got another sell on Nas. All right, guys, we got a Goldie. 4 seconds, Nas. Oh, almost gave it to us. Almost gave it to us, man. If they would have gave us that, we was about to go in. Stay in the trade for Nas, guys. Top positions on Nas should be in profit. Once bottom positions go in profit, get rid of bottom positions. Stay in on the Nas. Put a 1 in chat if you guys are still in on Nas. I got me a little small little nugget on there. Little baby nugget bag on there. Stay in. 22 seconds. This should be the highest they go. Watch out. This is a normie. If you already bagged 250 on that drop already, you know what to do. I've already taken like two trades out already. 2 seconds solidification. Stay in. Stay in. I'll tell you guys when to exit. Hey, if you guys are in TikTok, hit those likes. If you guys want to see what they're seeing, head over to YouTube, Vector Games. Remember, guys, get your 250s and be done. This is a trap day. Do not try to hold like it's a Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. These are normal plays, too. They're going to do some trapping. Just sitting in profit. Stay in the trade. We got about, how many candles to go? About like seven more candles to go. Three-minute plays are longer than 1 minute plays. Please listen to me on these plays, though. I know some of you guys are trying to hold on for dear life. Don't do that, please. Trap day. Get in, get out. Get yours and be done. All right, guys. Let's go. Let it ride. Top positions are in profit. When bottom positions get in profit, get rid of the bottom position. Here we go. Pushes are happening. You guys should be up a nasty bag. You should be up on top positions nasty. Let's see if we can get this push. We're gonna win this last one, and then we're gonna blue party it out. I'm gonna let the games ride for the rest of the day for you guys. Stay in the trade. We're still good. We just gotta get past this little checkpoint real quick. So yeah, in the chats, how much you guys made for the day so far? Yeah, news is coming. What time is it? Oh, it's coming in 1 minute. Hand on button. News is coming. News is coming. Here it goes. 9 seconds to news. Hand on button. I'm going for it. Here we go. Here we go.
Order filled.
Get to Vector Games. You're going to click on this link here to join the Discord. Click on join Discord. And then get the sci-fi trading strategies here. The virtual assistants here. If you need a Forex broker, this is the broker. If you need a prop firm trader, this one right here, you got 50% off up to 90% off. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe.